And I'm going to speak to the clients who are actually families that are going to be using the property and they're going to be owner occupants. I want to advise, because I've done renovations and I know what it's like to flip and rehab properties and get a higher appraised value after property's fixed. I want to encourage you with what Nick said. If you're buying property, look into those distressed homes. Go ahead and compete with the investors who are paying cash for those homes, but just understand that it's not that difficult to paint a house, change the kitchen, and modify that bathroom, and it's going to allow you to be in the neighborhoods that you want to live in, the zip codes that you want to be in, and the schools that you want to send your children. And so don't look the other way when you see something that needs work. I guess that's my advice. You guys are going with multi-units. I'm going with single family, and of course, real estate is an appreciating asset. So over time, everything appreciates. Is way better than renting, despite the rates and the lack of inventory.